Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Good morning as well. And today we got something small but should make a difference for the ST, and that is we're gonna change those turn signals to LEDs, and we're gonna change those to LEDs as well. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. So one thing to notice as well is that once we change these to LEDs, because this is an amber like color bulb, that would not look amber anymore. It would just look straight, just dark like that, because the whole design of the headlights just kind of like the inside of it's like dark, like black, I want to say. So I'm hyped about that because I don't like looking at the amber right there. I wish the side ones didn't have this amber, but it is what it is. So let's get to it and I'll show you guys right now and we'll get on with the install. So these are going to be what I'm installing today. We got some LEDs from Last Fit for the side markers, Last Fit, and then we got some LEDs from Bright Star for the middle signal. So I'll take them out of the package, these, and I'll show you guys right now how they look like. And this is a super easy install. All you need is to remove this headlight will come right out, and then behind it there's like a little twist. You can take this one out, and on this side there's like a little like rubber cap, and you should be able to access the bulb right there. I wish I could access the one right inside there where when you turn it just shines a light this way, because I wish it was a LED. But I tried to access it and it's kind of hard. Might have to use a tool, but I'm gonna do more research on that because I really want all the lights to be LED. And I have some new fog lights that came in. They're the same ones I had before, just one of them went out. They're from AliExpress, 12 bucks, but they're so bright. If you've seen my car in person at nighttime, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get on with the install. Alright, so it's easy as that, and then it just pops right out. I'm not going to disconnect it because I don't really have to. I can just access it right back there and right up there. So let's get on. I'm going to put the camera down so I can do this real quick because it does require two hands, but I'll update you guys right now. So you can see it popped it out from in there. I don't know if you can tell right there, the opening. Just replaced it with an LED. I did have another LED on it, but it was not good. So let's see how this one looks. Alright, so here we go. Like I said, you just pop the rubber piece off from right here on the headlight, and there you got the amber light, and just twist it off. Disgusting. We're gonna change that to this LED right here. Hopefully it's so much brighter. We'll do a comparison right now, but let's just change it real quick and put it back on. Okay, awesome, we have it in. It's so much brighter compared to the OEM one. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Yeah, you can. You see just how much brighter that one is. I'm gonna see if I can go to a parking garage super quick, just so you guys can see the difference. Just so some of you aren't like, oh, there's no difference, this and that. There's a big difference. So let's go to a parking garage super quick where it's kind of dark, and that's when you'll see all the difference. So I think I'll go do that just for you guys right now. Let's go. Alright, so we got the OEM halogen, like just amber bulb, and then we got the LED. As you can tell, there's a big difference. There's an even bigger difference in person, but look at the ground. It's a little brighter on this side compared to the left, and it just flashes way faster. Lame. But yeah, there's a big noticeable difference in person. Alright, I'm at some mall parking lot, and I'm just gonna do the other side now just because of why not, so I can just get it over with. And also we did change this one as well, as you can see. And maybe not on camera, but in person at nighttime it's just so bright. I'll just show you guys again right now once I have the other one installed. So let's get to it and finish the video. Alright, so now we have both of them installed, and just look at the road. Imagine that at nighttime. I'll try to see if I can do a night shot or a night clip just so you guys can try to see a difference. But that's bright for daytime. So I'll just hold the camera down for some nighttime and I'll show you guys that. But yeah, they're awesome. Also, these are the ones I changed from last vet. They're just make a way like bigger difference at nighttime when you're driving like on the freeway on the road at nighttime and a car passes you. You can just see this light reflecting onto their car. That's how bright it is. So that's a cool touch. I also changed the trunk lights from the same brand. Oops. So just look how different that looks. That's so bright. So once again, I'll try to record it at nighttime and see the difference. That'll make all the difference, and then I'll just end the vlog there. All right, everyone, it's the next morning, and that's how they look like. Honestly, it's like kind of blinding my eye right now, but you can't really tell. This is what the side one looks like. Super bright. Last fit. And let me show you guys the trunk. Look how bright that is. Last fit as well. Right, sorry if I'm talking weird, it's super cold this morning. So that's gonna conclude today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.